It's okay. I love you too. And I want you to be free. Our world doesn't deserve you.